One sunny day in a peaceful forest, a sly and cunning fox named Felix was wandering around, searching for food. His stomach growled with hunger as he roamed through the woods. As he ventured deeper into the forest, he noticed a vineyard with lush, ripe grapes hanging from the vines. Felix's mouth watered at the sight of those plump, juicy grapes. He could almost taste their sweetness in his mind. Determined to satisfy his hunger, he approached the vineyard with great excitement. With a leap, Felix tried to reach the grapes, but they were just out of his grasp. Undeterred, he leaped again and again, but the grapes remained tantalizingly high. He stretched his body as far as he could, but it was in vain. The more he tried, the more frustrated he became. Exhausted from his efforts and realizing that he couldn't reach the grapes, Felix finally gave up. He sat down beneath the vines, panting heavily, and looked up at the grapes with a mixture of longing and disappointment. "These grapes are probably sour anyway," he grumbled, trying to convince himself that he didn't really want them. With a disdainful flick of his tail, Felix turned away from the grapes and continued his journey through the forest, his hunger still gnawing at him. Moral of the story: The Fox and the Grapes teaches us that it's common for people to criticize or belittle things that they desire but cannot attain. The story encourages us to avoid making excuses when we fail to achieve our goals and to acknowledge that sometimes, our desires may be out of reach due to our own limitations.